So in this video, I wanted to explain how the packet is organized, understanding what kind of activities are in each section. So the first section are the nonfiction reading test packets. So there's three of them. You're going to notice the one that has Tetris is the first one. That's like the easy level. The next one is the carnivorous plants packet. So there's a bunch of them, but they're all in this packet. This is the medium level reading passages. And then there is the one that says mongooses. This is the third and hardest, so you're going to notice the vocabulary and questions are going to get harder as you go from packet to packet. The next section is writing. The first thing you're going to see is grammar. So it'll say grammar party nouns, and it'll go through a bunch of noun activities and then a bunch of different types of grammar activities. Everything about grammar is in one packet. There's no easy, medium, or hard. The rest of them are going to be like that as well. The next one are the writing prompts. A lot of you probably didn't get a chance to start on March 1st and whatnot, so I would recommend using this in a different way since we're going to run out of prompts pretty soon. You don't have to stick to the day. You can just pick one out, say you're going to do this one. The best part of my day is write 3 to 5 sentences about that and then cross it out, or maybe put a check or circle the number and then just go through them after the fact. It doesn't have to be in the order. So these are the writing prompts. So just to recap, the two writing sections were grammar party and the writing prompts. The next section is going to be the math worksheets. Creating clocks is the first one. It's going to be a bunch of different things about reading clocks, creating clocks, and it gets more specific. In the beginning, it is just 1 hour on the mark or the half hour, and then as it gets more deeper into it, it'll ask you more specifics about the clocks. And I can also show where the answers are for these if that becomes an issue, and I can also do another video just going over those, as well as any of these other packets. The next one is converting American capacity. So these are cool because they are different types of real world math activities. They may or may not be measuring things, but it's helpful to understand the differences. They'll be estimating capacity, converting. There's only 4 here, but again, just like the one with the clocks, I can include the answers or do another video just about that. The next one is actually not going to be this one. It will be the algebra packet, which looks like this. I had that set aside because that has its own series of videos currently. Next one will be the science packet. So you'll notice it says right at the top, science shorts. The first one is what goes up must come down. You'll read the passage. A lot of them you'll notice have the bolded words, and that's important to realize because the activities are all about those words that you learn in there. So it's important to go over that after you've read this and also going back to it. So all of the different science activities will be in this packet. Please let me know if you have any questions. I can help you out with those. Next one is the social studies or history section. You'll notice the elephant and a new land on the front of this one. It's sort of like reading passages from the first one, but multiple choice questions, and it's about history. The last one is our elective packet, qualities of a good character. Self-explanatory, but please let me know if you have any questions about that one. And the last one is sort of a bonus fun activity, California Agriculture on the Move. It's a bunch of little things in this one, sort of as an extra credit assignment, but let me know if you want me to go over some of this. I can make a separate video about that. So anywho, those are the sections. Just to recap, what's going on is the extra credit, sort of bonus activity, qualities of a good character, elective. A new land will be the front of the history packet. Science shorts will be the science packet. Algebra is the packet with the current YouTube series on it. Converting American capacity is also part of math. Creating clocks is the beginning of math. Going back to writing, you'll see the March writing prompts, grammar party. Those are the writing sections. And then the 3 packets. The hardest one had mongoose on the front, medium level carnivorous plants, and Tetris is the first one. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'm going to make another video about a typical day, what that might look like using the packets.